Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to change the cover photo on Facebook without publishing. Please subscribe to the channel. Put your likes, write your comments. Let's get started. Go to Facebook. Then top left click on our image. To go to our page, we see we have a cover photo. To change it, we need to click on the camera sign on it. Click on it, and then select the second line, Upload Photo. Now we can select a photo from our gallery. And in the top right corner, click on the word Done. Now at this point, we can choose to drag the photo down or up. To see how it's going to be displayed on our page, next we click Save to publish the cover photo. Unfortunately, at this stage, we can't publish it without our subscribers knowing about it. So we need to publish it. As we can see, our cover photo has changed. If we scroll down a little bit, it needs to be reloaded, just like this. We can see that we have a post on our page saying that we've changed our cover photo. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't have a feature where you can post a photo or change your cover photo without anyone knowing about it. And the only option we have right now is to delete this post. How can we do that? To do that, above our photo, we find 3 dots and we click on them. This is where some of the functions now appear. We select the penultimate line, Hide from Profile, so that we can hide our post from our feed. And all of our other subscribers will not see or know that we have changed the cover photo on Facebook. Click Hide from Profile and confirm what we've done. And as you can see, we now have no post that we changed our Facebook cover photo. This is the way to change our cover photo and delete the Facebook post about it, so your followers won't know that you did it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to the channel, like, comment. See you later.